Hello, YouTubers. Brady Theodore here, and today I would like to give you a little technical tip. Do you have a problem, or do you know how to switch your domain name through your host? I'm going to give you that answer here momentarily. Before that, I would like you to go below and subscribe to my channel. Give me a like, give me a positive comment. That would be great and helpful for me. Thank you. Now, I would like to move along and share my screen and show you how easy this is. In the past, I was paying somebody else to switch my domains through my host server, and it just got to the point I was like, why am I paying somebody to do this? It cannot be that difficult. And when I found out how easy it is, I was shocked and amazed that I could do it so easily. So for any of you that don't know how to do it, I'm going to share my screen and show you exactly how easy this is to do once I put my glasses on. I'm going to share my screen, and I'm going to bring this up. Now, this is the back office of my GoDaddy account. I do not, I'm not an affiliate of GoDaddy, so I'm not saying use GoDaddy. I'm sure that other host sites are pretty similar these days in the ease of use. But I would like to change this domain and the URL that it is going to be directed to. So I'm going to go here to the DNS. It's the little management platform. And with a Zoom recording, it goes a little slower. Here's my DNS management for that domain. I come down here, and this is where it's being directed to at the moment. And we can preview it, and we can see exactly where it's going now so that you know that you're switching it. Now, GoDaddy says it can take up to 24 hours. That's where it's being directed to now. Now, I've never had a problem with it being 24 hours. It's usually within a minute or two. No, I don't want to delete that. We're in the edit mode now. So I'm going to my dashboard in my page builder. And I'm on the page, I do believe, of where I want to direct this to. No, I am not. Let me find my correct page. That's not the one. Sorry. One moment. Let's put this on this page right here. So I need to visit this online so I can see my URL. I just copy that. I go to the page manager. I paste it there. I back this up and take out the HTTPS // because you can see that it's highlighted here. And it gives you an option to set this on secured, which we do. And then you save it. And if I go in here, I type in we'll see if it switched it up that fast. It may not have. What did I do? I'm stuck. Oh, it may take just a little bit longer. Nope, there it moves, and it's coming up in this page. That's not it. Come on. It's still up there. There it is. It's loaded there. You can see that this is the page and the URL that I was using. And now it's redirected to that page. with that correct URL, and it's that easy. I hope that I did not mess that up too badly and it looked as easy as it was, because it is. There's no need to pay somebody else to do this for you. You can go to any one of your domain hosting sites, go in the back office, and switch up your URL to whichever redirect that you want to have done. That easy. Anyway, that's my little tip for the day, and I'm not the technical guru, but I just saved myself a few dollars by being able to do this, and now I can do it anytime that I feel like it, and anytime that I want to change up where my landing pages are being directed to. So anyway, that easy. I hope that was a good tip for you. If it was, please go down below and subscribe, because I'm going to continue to come up with some more little helpful tips for all of us beginning entrepreneurs. Thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you real soon.